Hey everyone, it's Margo here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I've got the second box of Card Builder Deck that has come in. This is set number 2, and I know a lot of y'all have tried set number 1 and have found it to be a lot of fun and very, very creative to get your juices flowing. But in box 2, what we have is basically the same information, except that the blocks got a little harder. So it does have a couple of easy blocks in here, like this one, and on the back it shows you exactly what you need to cut and how to do the angles of the different piecing that you'll have to do on them. But you could tell on some of these it's quite a number of more piecing. Like this is a lot of half square triangles, this is a lot of this is a star, this one is got a bunch of squares and flying geese in it. This one has a bunch, this one has a bunch of half square triangles in it. So you can see that it's gotten to be a little more complicated and a little more intricate than the first box has. So box 2, I would say, is probably a skilled piecing to intermediate piecing. Of course, it does still show you how to make them to be large quilts. It gives you some layout ideas for different blocks to put around a panel, to make a modern baby quilt, to do blocks with them like a sampler look, to put them together with sashing. So it gives you still all those information. It tells you how to make half square triangles and how to set things on the diagonal, what size backing you'll need, how to make a binding, half square triangles, yardage you need, and then again, just all the information you need as to how to make the different blocks and everything are included in this. So I think you'll find this one to be very, very fun, and it's a little more advanced. If you have been quilting for a while and you want to stretch yourself a little bit, this one is box 2 is a little more advanced than box 1. So I hope you enjoy this, and happy quilting.